Hello everyone. So now I want to show you how to answer about x to the power of 8. We can put x to the power of 4, everything to the power of 2. So we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x to the power of 4 equals to number 2 secant of t. Because if I put this one gone here, we have number 4 secant of t square, number 4 and number 4. We can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1. We change for tan t square, and later that we simplify the square root and dx. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Next, we divide both sides by number 2. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2 in here. So I will put this one gone here. This one we change for this one. So this one that is about number 4 secant of t square. Number 4 and number 4 we can do about factorization. This one that is about tan t square. The square root of number 4 tan t square, that is about number 2 tan t. So number 2 and number 2 we have 1 over 4. So this one you got about secant of t. The integration of this one, that is about Fn of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. And now we can find the value of t, that is about secant of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. So this one we can simplify, and we have like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.